Classify the following items under major heads and subheads in the balance sheet of the company as per Schedule 3, Part 1 of the Companies Act 2013. Okay, and the first thing that we have to look at is computer software. Okay, so it would help if you have maybe serial number. Okay, they've called it items. Okay, so we can also say item, item. Okay, and then major head and subhead. Okay, so major head, subhead. Okay, and we have serial number one, computer, computer software. Now keep in mind, you have to know the format. Okay, there's no way out. Learning the format is important. So we know that computer software is part of non-current asset. Non-current assets are those assets which remain with us for a long period of time. But why am I writing non-current assets? Because that is the heading in the very rigid format that is Schedule 3, Part 1 of the Companies Act 2013. This is a format given by the government. You have to follow that format. Okay? Under non-current assets, we know that computer software is a intangible asset. Okay, so it will be under the category of intangible assets. Itself falls under a category called property, plant, equipment, what we normally call PPE. But your format for Schedule 3 literally says property, property, plant, and equipment. Okay. Use an ampersand perhaps if you want for plant and equipment and intangible assets. Okay, so this is your subheading, imagine. And under that, we have to say again, under that, it is, you can write intangible assets. Intangible assets. Okay, please learn the format. There's no way out. Second, we have outstanding salary. Outstanding salary is something that we know by default goes in current liabilities. Now, current liabilities is a major heading. Current liabilities is a major heading. But if you go through the list of current liabilities in the Schedule 3, okay, and I'm reading out some of the current liabilities. Short-term borrowing, trade payable, other current liabilities, and short-term provision. It has to come in any of these four. You have to decide which one. And the most suitable is other current liabilities. Now, the third one is work in progress. Now remember, work in progress, okay, this is not a construction site. They are talking about inventory. And inventory, we know, okay, in work in progress, they mean inventory, and inventory itself comes under current assets. And under current assets, inventories is one of the subheadings. Okay, so here we go, inventories. With that, we're done. Okay, this is straightforward. Let me know if you have